Say hi, Gremlin. Hi. Hi. Say hello. Say hello. Meow. Come on, you do it all the time. Meow. Say hi to Brooke, Gremlin. Say hi. Say hi, Brooke. Gremlin, stop being an asshole and say hi. Fine. I don't love you anymore. Kitty. This is my kitty, Gremlin. He's 2 years old, and he runs away all the time. Hmm? Meow, meow, meow. Ah, and look at that, isn't that awesome? It doesn't really look like the BBB sign, but try to do it with French manicure thing, it doesn't really work. Oh shit, oh. Say bye, Gremlin. Bye. Bye, Brooke. Bye. He's being an asshole right now, sorry.